The purpose of this video is to show you how to create a vocabulary list that you can actually edit so that you can consolidate into just a handful of buttons so that you can work on specific vocabulary within an activity with your child. Okay? So when you first get LAMP and you turn it on, you have a board that looks like this. Okay? And if you go in and you try to edit that board, you'll get this message here. This is an original vocabulary and you cannot make changes to it. Okay, how do I get a vocabulary that I can make changes to? You need to go over to the left side menu, Vocab, choose New Vocab, okay? If you'll notice here, there are all closed locks. That means that you cannot edit any single vocabulary that comes on the LAMP program. The way that you create an unlocked vocabulary is by pressing Menu, Copy a Vocab. Which one do you want to copy? Well, I suggest that you always use the full version, and that way you have access to all the words that you might need within a particular activity with your child. You can call it whatever you want. You might use your child's name. I'm going to use ELB training and hit save. Okay? So you can see that now we have a green unlock button and it was automatically selected. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and press on it and it looks exactly the same as the menu that I already had before. But now if I want to make changes, it brings up this menu. Okay, so if you ever find yourself coming up to the menu and you don't get this up here, it's a good idea to check and make sure that you are on the unlocked vocabulary list that you have.